Welcome to the heart of Murren, Switzerland, where tradition meets extravagance in the form of the Cow Parade, a cultural phenomenon like no other. Prepare to be immersed in a whirlwind of colors, music, and jubilation as we unravel the secrets behind this exhilarating spectacle that has captured the hearts of locals and travelers alike. Behind the scenes, join me as we peek behind the curtain and witness the meticulous preparations for the grand event. From locals adorning the cows with vibrant decorations to the meticulous planning of the parade route, the anticipation in the air is palpable as Murren gears up for a celebration like no other. The main event. Brace yourselves for an exhilarating journey as we plunge into the heart of the Cow Parade, the main event itself. Prepare to be dazzled by a spectacle of vibrant colors as intricately decorated cows proudly strut their stuff along the streets of Murren. Feel the pulse of excitement as the parade unfolds, engulfing you in its infectious energy. Let the traditional music serenade your senses as you become enveloped in the spirit of unity and celebration that permeates the atmosphere. Surrender to the enchantment of this extraordinary spectacle, where creativity knows no bounds and every step is a testament to the boundless imagination of the human spirit. Get ready to be swept away on a wave of joy and wonder as the Cow Parade captivates your heart and leaves an indelible mark on your soul. Voices from the crowd. In this captivating segment, we'll have the honor of immersing ourselves in the enchanting world of the Cow Parade through the first-hand accounts of participants and attendees. Tune in as they regale us with their thoughts, experiences, and unforgettable moments from this extraordinary event. Prepare to be entertained by tales of hilarious mishaps and touched by heartwarming encounters as these storytellers transport us into the heart of the parade's magic. Their narratives paint a vibrant picture of the joy, creativity, and camaraderie that define the Cow Parade experience, offering glimpses into the whimsical and wondrous world of art and community. Join us as we journey through the colorful tapestry of memories woven by those who have been swept up in the euphoria of the Cow Parade, where every story is a testament to the enduring spirit of celebration and connection. As the echoes of the Cow Parade fade into the distance, take a moment to savor the memories of this extraordinary event. From the vibrant colors to the infectious energy, the Murren Switzerland Cow Parade is a testament to the beauty of tradition and the power of community. Join me in celebrating this cultural marvel and cherishing the unforgettable moments it has brought into our lives. I invite you to share your favorite moments from the Cow Parade in the comments below. What aspect of this colorful spectacle left you awestruck? Don't forget to subscribe for more cultural adventures and explore another video on related festivities that ignite the spirit of celebration and unity. Head out on your next adventure. The journey never ends.